Hey guys, so today we are going to be testing out the Hades collection of the Disney Villain collection that I'm slowly going through. I know I said originally I was going to do, who did I say I was going to do? I already did Cruella. I was going to do, not Medusa, I keep calling her Medusa, it's Ursula. Not Greek mythology, Disney. I was going to do Ursula today, but I decided to do Hades instead because of what I'm going to be wearing today, and I'm out of makeup wipes. So we're stuck kind of going with whatever I'm wearing with. I'm not going to tip it with the tray out, but it's a red color for the eyeshadow, so we're going to be pairing it with Naked Heat. I thought it would give it a nice accent color. The highlight is a nice like bronzy, which might not look good on my skin. We'll see. Also, I'm sorry. I'm sick. We have a nice like terracotta. It's actually picking up a lot warmer than what it is. Strange. And this is the first, oh no, this is another cream. Sorry, I thought it was one of the matte shades because all of the lipsticks are either cream or matte. And then we have this nice, almost, it's like, see, it's picking up completely different on camera for you guys. It looks like an orangey copper color. For me, and it's turning out very red for you guys, so sorry about that. I've already done my face very poorly today, and my eyebrows very haphazardly, and primed my eyes, so let's just jump right into this because I have no idea how long my camera on my battery is going to last. So as always, my mirror's right here. Sorry if I'm looking down. Actually, I'm probably going to pick it up or just use, oh gosh. Oh, how cute, I never took the thing off this mirror in here. So we're not going to start today, so I'm just going to use this. Alright, so how is everyone else been lately? I have been quite stressed. So I'm not sure in what order I'm going to upload photos or where videos, and I'm also not sure I am also not sure what video I talk about this in, so I'm just going to talk about it again here, and if it's redundant, so is my life. We got my husband's car up and running, which is super excited, and payday tomorrow, we're going to plate it and insure it, and all that fun jazz. So that's exciting because it's a step in the right direction. It was something that we needed to get done before we continued house shopping. I purposely have not gone and seen any houses because I didn't want to fall in love with something and not be able to jump on it because we could not have moved without two cars. He works much earlier in the day than I do, and I work much into the night, and that kind of leaves like a kid that you have to transport places that we wouldn't have had a car for. So the car was a necessity that had to happen, and we got his car up and running. I can tell you that it hasn't been running, it hadn't been used for 2 years, because it sat during his deployment. And so it's really weird to see it like running again, and maybe that's just like I don't know, a weird quirk or something, but it is it's very strange to see it like sitting in the driveway right now. In other news, I'm still messing with licensing and all that fun stuff for my medic. I'm still stalled out on that. When I'm saying licensing, I mean like the process of being able to test. I realize that might actually like confuse people. So I'm sorry. I'm not trying to confuse any of you guys. Let's make it real dark today, why not? also vlogged last week, so you guys have a vlog coming here soon, which I know is very unlike me. I have like 4 videos that I'm in the process of editing that I just haven't gotten up for you guys, and I'm really sorry about that. It's been kind of crazy here lately. Alright, I think that's as good as my outer crease is gonna get. I am still gonna leave this kind of sitting here because I don't know what I'm gonna swatch it all. So I think, I don't know, I kind of only want to put this on the middle of the lid. I think bringing it all the way in might make the eye too dark. Sorry. You got the little thing inside and I'm trying to like be very cautious with it. So you know what, I'm just going to put it on the center of the eye for now and like drag it out to the outer corner and see what that looks like and decide whether it's going to be, oh god, I think I picked up too much. Ah! Screw it. I don't know why I just made duck lips at you guys. So this is the only problem that I have with the jelly, is that you really need 2 hands to kind of like hold the thing still, because if you're trying to like just drag it across, you just kind of like drag the whole pot with you. It just doesn't go anywhere. Definite first world problems over here. Alright, so I need to deepen back up my I need to deepen back up my corners, but I think I just like squirt it out the side. No. It's getting everywhere. I'm a little discombobulated, guys. It's probably like user error or something. I need to stop looking at my monitor. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm actually in focus. I'm having issues with my lighting today. I'm talking, apparently. I'm just kind of lightening up the inner corner just a bit. Otherwise, I think that's actually really pretty. Or if it's not, I think it is, and we're gonna wing it today. Dropping stuff everywhere. Miss discombobulated over her. Alright, let me just bring in some of this. want to convince the hubby to get food today. Really don't want to convince the hubby to get food today because he's been a grouch. Alright. We're going to skip liner and lashes really quick so I can show you the highlights. So here it is again. It's also, so why is it that like the lip color isn't picking up horrible, but like I don't know why I try to use a fan brush. I hate fan brushes. I keep trying to convert myself to a fan brush type of person. Okay. Hello? Anybody home? So you're not going to be able to see this, I don't think. If it would focus on this. Oh no, my battery's going to die. So we're just going to hurry up. I'm going to see how fast I can do this really quick, and you're going to see like a half finished. You know what? Give me a minute, I'm going to finish this up and then I will show you the end. Alright guys, before my battery dies here, two things. So this is the lipstick and I've thrown on lashes. I like the two, however, what I'm going to say is that I don't think this terracotta and the eyeshadow could ever go together because I think the eyeshadow is a little bit more red than the terracotta. I do think they pair kind of nicely because I've thrown in with the Naked palette, which I will say that this lip color plus the Naked Heat. Alright, battery died. Here's the recap. What I don't remember where I cut off. What I was going to say is that I don't think that the eyeshadow and the lipstick go perfectly together. You would have to mix it with something like the Naked Heat palette to bring in some of those more coppery colors, the oranges, because the red in here just doesn't, I mean, it's personal opinion. However, I will say that the whole thing that I have on today, I absolutely adore. The second thing that I was going to bring up that I didn't use because I'm angry about it. Angry about this, but I will comment on something else. I didn't realize that all of the different lip glosses have different scents. So like this one smells like caramel. Okay, and so like as you can see, if it'll focus, it's like a brand new, right? Like not even used. And the brush is just, oh come on. The brush is jacked. So like ColourPop. Like let me see if I can't like scrape off some of this excess on it. No, like it's so frayed, and of course it's not going to want to focus. It's so jacked. How are you supposed to put that on evenly? Like, it looks like someone just jammed it in off on the side and it killed all the bristles. And that's really kind of depressing because, like, I haven't even tried this color on. But I bought an entire collection. And you get jacked up. I mean, I remember Kylie went through this issue for a while. People were criticizing some of her brushes, I think, that were jacked up. I think it was Kylie. I could be incorrect there, but I thought it was Kylie that people were criticizing, like, the bristles were jacked up on some of these lip glosses. And it's just like, it's not like these things are cheap. Like, we're spending good money on this stuff, and, like, to get jacked brushes like this is a little bit annoying, but oh well. Not gonna bitch too much, because I do really like today's ensemble. Oh, I was gonna put this on my lips to see what it would look like if we stacked. So this is a joke, right? My bristles are completely hard. I might actually say something to ColourPop. That's kind of it is really pretty when you stack the two. And now you can see this a little bit more. But yeah, like this, the middle part where where the bunch is, it's just completely hard. So, this is really pretty. I'm really happy with how today's look came out. So I would give Hades a 10 out of 10. No. Hold on. 9 out of 10. For my skin complexion, 9 out of 10. I did, like, dig my finger in this bad boy and put it on my face, and I had to, like, blend it out decently good after my camera died. Sorry, you missed all of this. And it doesn't sit well on my skin, but that's not a complaint to the company. So, like, if I had the right skin tone for this color, 10 out of 10. Because I don't, I'm gonna knock it 9 out of 10. Because I find it weird that they would, I don't know. Never mind. Not getting into it. Anyways, but the lipstick, I love. I'm gonna wear all the time because it's, like, the perfect, like, terracotta for my hair, which is a really weird thing. But when you have red hair, you have to kind of, like, be careful of what colors you wear. The eyeshadow, I adore and think goes super well with that as an accent for that palette that I have. And I'm sure, like, obviously, like, I have Jaclyn Hill and the James Charles palette. Like, obviously, it's not the only palette that it's going to work with. But, like, specifically, my head went, oh, Naked Heat. I like the shimmer on this lip gloss. I'm going to try and figure out if I can fix the brush at all. Or just get a new brush. I don't know. So really, I absolutely adore all of this palette. I might give this highlighter away because I know someone who has a more, like, olive-y complexion than I do, and I think it would sit really good on their skin. Other than that, I'm keeping everything else. I'm not doing a really good job of giving away this makeup, am I? So, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, become a gnome, hang out with us every week, or in this case, I think I have 3 videos going up this week, which is, like, bonus material for you guys. We hang out, I put up random videos. What more could you ask for, right? Alright, I spend the money that you don't have to. Don't forget to keep a lookout for the video of the product to try that I thought that I was buying that I didn't get. None of that made sense. You'll see. It'll make sense when you see the video. So I will let you guys go. Have a fabulous day wherever you are, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!